Hey, welcome back everybody to Veterans Ham Shack. I'm Jeremy, KF4CHW. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I repaired a power supply. All right guys, so here we have the Samlex America SEC 1223. Kind of the backstory on it, I bought it in 2014, so it's about 10 years old. Got it whenever I got my FT857D, and I use it quite a bit inside between it and my FT8900R. Both of which are mobile rigs, and I like both of them quite a bit and use both of them quite a bit. So what's basically happened with this one is the positive terminal in the back, it's got a screw that kind of cinches down the positive wire that goes back to the radio, but the screw broke inside of the red terminal, the positive terminal. So I tried pretty much every way possible to get that thing out of there. Even tried to cut it open, but didn't really go my way. So looked all over the internet trying to find a replacement for that terminal, and I challenged someone to actually find one online to buy. They're just not out there. I'd basically given up. I'd looked, there is a couple of YouTube videos showing how you can convert those terminals over to like a power distribution block, and that was going to be my last resort. It was going to cost me 50 bucks or so to do that. So last resort, decided to reach out to Samlex America, emailed their customer support, and lo and behold, they emailed me back in a few days and sent me the parts for free. And they actually sent me not only the red terminal but another black terminal as well, the screws that go with it, and a little tool to screw them in. So I thought that was pretty cool of them. I'm going to take this thing apart and kind of show you what you need to do to replace it. It's super easy. It might take 5 minutes. All right, to start out, just take these two screws out on this side. There's two just like it on the other side. All right, and here we have the power supply opened up. Like I said, took the two screws on each side out. The cover just slides right off. I've already taken the red terminal out. I'll put a picture up showing the old one. It was pretty fouled up, and the screw was completely stuck in there, so no hopes of saving it. Anyway, Samlex did send me a replacement part here, and actually the black one with it. And it's pretty easy, actually. It just slides right into this hole here. And it's got two little prongs on the inside that clip it into place. So whenever you take the old one out, basically you just squeeze here, pop the old one out, and then just connect the wires back. And here it is with the red terminal reconnected. I'm gonna put the cover back on, then we'll give it a test. All right guys, there we go. We got the red terminal back in place, got the housing back on the power supply, got the radio hooked up. Go ahead and fire it up here, turns on. Turn on my radio over here. And looks like it's working good. All right, so that'll do it for the video for today. Super easy fix. I'm no electrician by any means. Anybody could have done that. Mostly wanted to do the video to give a shout out to Samlex America because this power supply is 10 years old. They sent me the parts free, no shipping, anything, straight to my house. So I thought that was excellent customer service. Never hurts to reach out to the company whenever you have something like this happen. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Jeremy, KF4CHW with Veterans Ham Shack.